Hey everyone, welcome back. Sometimes we use free WordPress theme and can't customize WordPress header. In this video, I will show you how we can make a custom header using happy add-ons. So let's start. First of all, we will log into our WordPress dashboard, and you can see I am in my WordPress dashboard here. And then the first step is to creating some pages. That means menu items. So you will go to our pages and under the pages you will click add page and you will create some pages here. After creating them, you will go to appearance, and under the appearance you can see here there's option here menus, and you will create the menus option. Okay. In the menus you will create menus here. I'm creating a menus here. You can see here create a menu, create a new menu option here. I will hit it. You will get such an interface here, and you will name your menu item. Like in my case I name it main, or you can name it main menu or my header menu, something like that you want. And after creating the menu you will add the pages to the menu and save it. Okay, now we will go to our plugin section, and we will install a plugin named happy add-ons. Okay, I will go to plugin, and under the plugin I will hit the add plugin. Now in the plugin page you will search the plugin name, and this name is happy add-ons. Okay, when we search happy add-ons, there will be the plugins here. Okay, this is the plugin. The first one is here, happy add-ons for Elementor, and we will use that plugin to make a custom header. I have already activated here, installed and activated here. After installing and activated it, you will see it at the left side. And when you keep your mouse here, and you will see the options here, and I will hit the theme builder option here. Okay, and now we are in creating page, where we can start creating our header, footer, single page or archive page. And I will create a header now. So I will hit it header, and now at the button add new I will hit it. Okay, now there is a pop-up here, and I will name my header, suppose new header, my new header. Okay, and I can change here the option header, footer or single page or archive, but I am choosing it header, and my new header. Okay, create. This is the section where we will start building our header, our custom header. Now we have to consider our header structure. What will be our header structure? Before building it, you must consider the header structure. In my case, it will be this structure. One will be for logos and another will be for menu items. But if you want, you need more structure, more section, you can choose from there. But in my case, I will choose it. Okay, now at the left part I will put here my logo. So for that you can go to canva.com and create a logo like 120 pixel by 60 pixel. I have already created a logo here, and now at the left side search widget search box I will search the widget name logo. Okay, when I search logo, here you can see there are several options. I will choose one like site logo. Okay, here you can see it is already taken my logo because I have already uploaded my logo in my WordPress dashboard. Now at the right section, I will put the nav bar here. So same way in the search widget, I will search here nav. When I have searched here nav, there are so many options here to choose. So I will put here nav menu. Okay, and I will drag and drop here. Now you can see our menu section, navigation menu section is empty because from the left side we haven't selected here the menu, the main menu. So we have to select here the menu here. If you have several menus, you can choose one from there, but I have only one menu here, main menu, so I will choose it. So in my case it is main menu. If you have several menus, all will be there. Okay, I have selected my menu and you can see my menu item there. And now we can customize, we can style it, and we can optimize it for the devices. Okay, now in the mobile version you can see this section which is 100% and this section also 100%. So if we can make them 70 and 30%, they will be in line, right? Okay, so let's change them. Make sure you change it to percentage here, and now I will change it. Suppose I will put it 30%. Okay, now in the same way I will change it. First of all, I will change the percentage here, pixel to percent. Okay, now I will put it 70%. 70 or 68, and okay. Okay, and now they are responsive in mobile version. So now you can style them and add background them, and you can also style the menu item here. Okay, there are options where you can style your menu item, or you can change the background, or you can change the logo direction. Everything you can change. And another important thing is here, you have to choose where you want to show the header. And for that we will click on the right top part here, save option here, and we will choose, and then we will hit the save options here, and then we will hit the template condition. And in the template condition you have to say where you want to show this header. So I will add condition here, and in the left part you will include here, and I want this header to be Android site. So I will select the Android site. That means every pages of our website this header will be there. But if you want to exclude it from any specific page, suppose I want to exclude it from singular page or archive page. Okay, you can add condition there where you want to show or where you don't want. And that's all the video. I think this video helped you. If you find this video helpful, please consider subscribing and liking. Thanks for watching.